Hey y'all, this is Hulu Tarot Queen coming back with another video. I want to do a love reading. That's something that I don't usually do. But, I got some romance cards here, some twin flame messages. And, I just want to see what we can get from my collective, right? Because I know we got something. I know we got something to say. Some love messages. Alright, so the way I want to do this is I want to see, it's going to be a little bit more specific, more than just the love reading. I want to, and I just see 11:22 on the clock. So I'm not really big on numerology, but I do pay attention to it. So if any of you want to look that up, you can go ahead and do that. I want to really see who's going to be coming in for you. Okay, like, what does this person look like? How, like, what are their values? What type of person are they? Things like that. What are they even going through right now? And this is for the collective, right? And so that's what I want to get. This person is very humble. Very loving. They, you know how you have those individuals who are dreamers, but they never take action on that. And this person makes a plan and takes action on that plan, right? This person will bring you a lot of security. Okay, and I'm hearing financial security, security in the relationship, and also something like this person, this is very specific. This person can survive in the wilderness. Okay, so that's what I'm hearing. This person can survive in the wilderness, and I think that is really amazing, okay? Because you never know why you might end up. They are going through a bit of chaos right now, like a bit of confusion in their, whatever their situation is right now. I don't know, I can't really see it. But I do know there is a little bit of misunderstandings. I don't really think it's bad. I'm not picking up on anything like really dramatic, a lot of drama, that type of thing. I'm not picking up on that. But there is something that they're trying to work through. Nature is really coming through with this person. They may be really into plants and maybe even flowers. I'm hearing that they know their plants and their flowers, okay? They might have a green thumb, something like that. This person is also like a sunny day. Okay? And they will be like a sunny day. So now I'm going to just pick up on what they might look like. Let's see if we can get that from Spirit. Or what they may look like. They might have a big family. So, if your person is a male, they have a lot of females in their family. And if your person is a female, they have a lot of males in their family, okay? But it seems like everybody gets along. Like, if they're a male, they might have a lot of sisters. They may be the only boy that their parents had. I just heard something about ice cream. This is very specific. Somebody makes their own ice cream. Like somebody knows how to make their own ice cream and likes to make their own ice cream. Maybe at gatherings and stuff. Their family members, like the women in their family, may like to wear pearls. Or when you meet them, like say you meet their mother or their sister, they might be wearing pearls. Canister. I just heard that. I'm not sure what that's in regards to. Some of you may know. But I just heard the word canister. Somebody has beautiful teeth. Okay. Oh, that smile. There it is. That smile is gorgeous. Okay. So somebody has a beautiful smile. Spirit. Okay. This is for somebody else. Somebody losing their teeth. And I don't think it's your person. Maybe somebody in their family losing their teeth. So you might meet a family member who has a couple teeth missing. Okay. But they seem like to be a really good person. Very sweet. Very kind. You know, not having no teeth. I think they're a little goofy too. Is what I'm picking up on. They might be a little goofy. Somebody wants to play dominoes. Or that person may like to play dominoes. The person that's missing some teeth, they might like to play dominoes, okay? Alright, Spirit, let's see what we can get about this person. I feel like we're picking up stuff about their family. They like to get their sleep. Okay? Their home may smell of lavender, or they may use lavender oil. They can be sort of like slow in the mornings. Like slow to start, slow to, you know, get out the house. You know, not everybody is a morning person. And that's okay. What else, Spirit? I just heard that your person likes to dance. So they may want to go to like a nightclub with you and dance. They might like to just dance at home in their living room. They may have a daughter who's 7, is what I hear. 7 years old. She has beautiful hair, by the way. Very beautiful hair. What else, Spirit? So, your person may be in the military, may have been in the military. Okay, I'm not sure what branch. They have a good, like they have a good bond with their, like their closest, I don't know what they're called. Like the closest other military people around them. They have a really good bond with them, okay? So it may be like, they may be like family to them. Your person is really strong. They may work out, like be very muscly, and specifically in the arms. They're also kind of stealthy, okay? This person lives in your city, okay? They live in the same city as you now, so there won't be any traveling that you'll have to do to go see this person. None of that. Their daughter likes butterflies, okay? She likes butterflies and sunflowers. Someone has an orange cat. You may hear this person or someone around them refer to the moon as a crescent moon. You may hear them say that often. Also, so if this is, a male, your person is male, the mother of their child is, this is very few of you, okay? The mother of their child is dead, okay? She's no longer living. And if that's not the case, she's really, I don't know what the word is for. Like, she's, I don't want to say that. She's definitely not going to be a problem, okay? Like, you're hardly ever going to hear from her. You're hardly ever going to see her. She's just kind of under the radar, okay? I guess, if you want to say she's under the radar. Sort of mellow and keeps to herself. That's not something that you'll find very often. A lot of baby mamas or whatever, I ain't like that, okay? We got 1333 on the phone. Oh. Okay. Your person is really going to offer you when they get in a relationship, their love language is sort of service, like, so they're willing to do things for you. They might cook you dinner. And just things like that. That's sort of service, like back massages and those types of things. If it's a male, he's going to want, if you have a yard, he's going to want to like mow your yard and I'm picking up something sexual about that. So, ladies, if it's a little long down there, just trim it up. You ain't got to cut it all off. We women, we grown, right? We have hair. You might want to trim it up. So, that's why he might be thinking like it's a little bit too long for him to go down there. You know what I'm saying? But when we get technical, he might actually want to do some work in your yard. Okay? So let's see what type of animal or spirit he in right now. And I feel like I seen the jaguar earlier. So I kind of feel like he's, but I'm not sure. We have this person who's, this might be two different people. Now that I think about this, because we have this person who's really into nature, right? And then we have this other person who's sort of like that typical manly figure, right? You know, doing stuff in the yard, strong, in the military. He got a good bond with his buddies. You know, I think that's sort of common, and you know that might be the male energy, the masculine energy that I'm picking up on, and this person that's really into nature might be the feminine energy. Okay. I got this in the other reading. Antelope spirit. Okay. I mean, they might be on the go. Okay. Their life might be a little bit busy right now. And, you know, I could see that being the case because, you know, earlier I stated that I can pick up with these cards with my nails. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. We had healing chaos in the reverse. So they are going through a time of like some misunderstandings. I don't really see it as like actual chaos with this person because I'm picking up an energy that's very calm. So they might just be going through some understandings with someone, or maybe even at work is what I hear. So they are a bit off balance, but I don't really think it's like pure chaos. Okay, and so that's probably why their life is speeding up, or why we got this antelope card. Life is speeding up. They feel like they can't catch a break right now. Sort of like they're on the go so much. Okay. So that's what we got. Ooh. Sort of on the go, like I was saying. So let me go ahead and pull a romance card. Probably pull two. I'll pull one and see what's on the bottom of the deck. That one want to come out. So we got engagement. Your love life is ascending to a higher level of commitment. Let your friends help you. Ask for and accept support from others. So I think in this time, I think this is for your person. Because, you know, I said they were going through that little misunderstanding, right? I think they need to reach out to some friends. get a little assistance and a little help, right, from somebody. Now, this is for you. Engagement. Your love life is ascending to a higher level of commitment. So I think when this person finally comes through, y'all are going to move to a place where there will be serious commitment and possibly engagement. Okay. Eventually. Right? We don't know how long. We can see. We can try to figure out how long. Alright, we can see when your person is going to come through. Okay? So, Spirit, when will this person come through? Two months from now. I like that. I think 2 months from now is good. A good time frame. You know, it really gives you time to I'm hearing to set boundaries. At least think about the boundaries that you want to set. You know, because this person may be incredibly amazing, but you still want to set boundaries. Okay? Boundaries still need to be set, right? You still want to set boundaries. You still want to make sure you're taking the measures to protect yourself. Okay? So that's all I have for you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Please like, share, and subscribe. Okay? And I'll see y'all in the next video.